Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session, we are going to analyze market as per the candlestick psychology. You can see here, if I draw a line from the above side, this is the level, because you can see here a market is hitting this level and coming down, so we can expect here a reversal. So in another scenario, if I draw here a level, the next level is here, so you can see here candle opened exactly at the level, so I can go here with the sellers. I have taken this trade in a down direction because you can see here the opening price is exactly at the trend line, so it means that market will definitely go down. So you will see here a winning trade. So I will at least take 2 minutes to analyze the market, then I am going to take the next trade. Okay, so this is a winning trade, no doubt, because market gave me late entry. My entry point was here, so it doesn't matter, market will give you a winning trade for sure. Now you can see I won this trade. Now let's analyze AUD and ZT. Okay, so I can go here with the buyers. I have taken a trade here in an up direction. You can see here market closed exactly at the buyers area. So because of this, you can see here I took my trade here. Market will close above this area for sure. You can see here a buyer's entry, and market is moving only in this range right now. So this looks like a not a trendy market, so therefore I took my trade. Now you will see here a definite win. Okay, so after this candlestick, if a candle comes down, I am going to take my trade. Okay, I have taken a trade in an up direction. Now you will see here a huge rejection from the lower side, and next expected sellers areas are here. Still there is a gap to the level, and therefore market will make here a bullish candle again, or at least it will make here a doji candlestick. So I'm not worried about this trade at all. The market will give us here a winning trade. It will get a rejection. It will close at least above this area or at this area. It will not try to go down. You saw that I took the trade and I won this one. So now if I want to analyze this market again, can I go here with the buyers? Yes, I have taken a trade here with the margin of safety. Now I want to show you here the confirmation of the continuation candlestick. This is the 5-second chart, and now you will see here that this is the confirmation candlestick here. This one and this one. So therefore I took my trade. Market will definitely close above this area. You will see here a confirmed winning trade. Market will get a rejection and it will go up again, and it will go up again. Next candle will also go up. Okay, so now you can see we won this trade. So in this session I took 4 trades, and now you can see again we can go here. We can trust the candlestick to move more up, because the next level is here. Market can make here another bullish candle also, but the market movement is not stable. Now you can see impulses going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So this is not good, but as per the psychology we can go here with the buyers also. So because of the bad market I cannot trust this area anymore. So let's try to explain how I took my trades. Okay, so I took one trade here. Now you can see here I have drawn the lines here. This is the trend line. When market opened exactly from this area, then I took my trade in a down direction, and you can see we won this trade. So it was easy to understand. Now you can see here, if the market is going like this, then what you need to do, you need to connect two levels. You will get the third level as I am getting here. You can see level A, this is the level B, and this is the level C. So these two levels confirm that the market needs to go down. Therefore I took my trade and I won this one. Okay, so after that, if you want to analyze the market here, you can easily see that market is closing here at the level with a huge rejection. On the left side I am seeing here a rejection and the buyer's entry. So it means that the next candle wants to go up. So therefore I took my trade here with this candlestick with a margin of safety, and I won my trade. So this is very much easy to and understandable. Okay, so after that I took another trade. So now you can see easily here that the next level was here. Okay, so still there was a gap to the level, and now you can see here this is a sign of continuation. So if this is a sign of continuation in particular two levels, if the candle is appearing like this, there is not only that this is the continuation sign, gap, and no, you need to analyze it more and more. So therefore I took my trade and I won this one. Now after that again I took another trade. Now you can see here the next expected level was here, and I took my trade because this candlestick was a sign of continuation, and by using the margin of safety I took this trade and I won this one. So this was my, I think, fourth trade, and this is how I took these trades. So try to observe always each and everything. Don't just enter into the market and start trading. At least give 1 to 2 minutes to analyze the market. Okay, so now you can see here, if I say that the running candle can also go up, is it right? Okay, so if I say okay, it is right, then find the reasons. What are the reasons? For me, you can see here this candlestick still is a sign of continuation, because you can see this candle broke this level, now making again a new candlestick with a new high. So because of that, the next candle will also go up and it will close here as a bullish. It is understandable, nothing to worry about this one. Now you can see here the next candle can also come down. Now you can see, or at least we will get here a candle bullish will close here like this, but chances of the bearish candle stick is higher than the sellers buyers. Sellers are stronger and buyers are weaker here. So now you can see buyers can leave the market here, and we can get here a bearish candle. So this is how you can predict the candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our group Trading Skills. on Telegram. The link is in the description, and you can join also our YouTube channel. So it is easy and understandable, and I am telling you all these things in a easiest way. So try to help each other and try to discuss the points with each other. And now you can see, still I predict these two candles, and these two went in my way. So therefore, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlestick I predicted, and all went in the direction which I told you all. So stay blessed, you all. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. See ya. Bye.